Would you like some? Yum! Applesauce. Oh yeah, spit it out. Mmm. Yeah. Spit it all out. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, you like it. Would you like some more? Some more? You're opening up wide. Do you want it? Yeah? It's a good boy. It's the first time you're having apples. Just some more? Some more? Here you go, Grace. I think you have more on your bib than in your mouth, but that's okay. I think you like it. He's nuts about the spoon. Oh, yes, a different flavor, finally. Oh, finally a different flavor. I love it. Get it in there. Get it in there. I love this flavor. Some more? Some more? Here you go, Gray. You grabbing the spoon? Some more? We're almost killing this. Just got a little bit more. More? Oh, I caught most of the back. Spit up. That's nice. Good job, Grayson. More? More? There you go, Gray. You gotta have the fingers in there too, huh? You gotta have the fingers. That's gonna be a good finger. Just wait till you have that finger. It's gonna be a good finger. Yeah. Some more? More? It's just about done. Last one. You ready? Gotta have the fingers in there too. Good boy, Grayson. All done. All done. You did a good job for your first food. Yeah. It was nice to have another flavor, huh? You're still munching on your fingers. I think it's washcloth time. Good boy.